What you're seeing here is our new wire EDM machine in action at Klesk Metal Stamping. This process uses a precisely controlled wire and electrical current to cut hardened metal with extreme accuracy, rather than using physical cutting force. The wire burns its way through the material, allowing us to hold incredibly tight tolerances without distorting the part. This level of precision is ideal for complex geometries, tight internal features, and high-tolerance components that traditional machining can't achieve as efficiently. With this new EDM capability, Klesk Metal Stamping can deliver even greater accuracy, repeatability, and quality for our customers' most demanding parts.